Hello students, good morning. I hope you all are safe and healthy. So, I welcome you all in the presentation of holiday homework. So children, this is your holiday homework file, okay? So you have to prepare only one file for all the subjects, okay? If you don't have this kind of a scrapbook, then you can use your notebook or you can use your register. Yes, but you have to do it in only one single notebook or register or scrap file. Okay children, don't do different subjects in different notebooks, and don't do it in your subject notebooks also, right? So children, here I am starting the presentation of holiday homework. Okay, so questions you have already got. Yes, now I am demonstrating you the English and maths holiday homework. Okay, so let's continue. This is our cover page of our scrapbook. So I have this scrapbook at home. Last year I have purchased, so I have this at my home only. I didn't go outside to take it or to purchase it, right? So last year ये बुक मैंने ख़रीदी थी, तो ये बुक मेरे पास लास्ट ईयर की ही रखी हुई थी, एंड आई हैव यूज दिस स्क्रैप बुक to show you your holiday homework. So I have used this kinds of colorful paper and these sheets to cover and this cover page, right? And I have decorated it like this. You can use your own ideas and you can use your own creativity to cover the file. Okay, now after that, this is our first page, English. So firstly I am showing you English subjects. That is why I have written here English and I have decorated it in this manner. Okay, after that our first question is, make a list of 10 words which have silent T, G or K in them, right? So I have made this small T of a sparkle sheet. I was having these sheets at my home only. Yes, so that is why I have used these colorful sheets and these sparkle sheets also. If you don't have, then don't worry, you can use simple white color sheet and you can just do the coloring on it and then you can paste it or then you can use it. Okay children, so don't worry if you don't have sparkle sheets or if you don't have colorful sheets. Don't panic or don't worry, and please don't tell your parents to go outside and purchase it, as you know that these days lockdown is going on, right? So don't force them. Whatever you are having at home, you can use those material to decorate this file. Okay, so here you have to make a list of 10 words which have silent T, G or K in them. So firstly I have written the words that are having silent T in it. Yes, so often, watch, match, listen, castle, witch, butcher, whistle, nestle, Nestle, mortgage. Yes, and here are the words, yes, in which G is silent. So I have written these words, but you can use some other words or you can write different words. Okay, now here our second question is, write another word which means more or less the same as the given word. So in your question, a basket is there in which few words are given, right? And these 7 words are given on left hand side. So the first word is near. So near another word which means more or less the same as a given word is clothes, right? So I have not written all the words. Because this is your holiday homework and you should try to do it on your own, right? So evil, what is the other word for evil? Evil means bad, right? So just find the different word that is that is, that means more or less the same as this word evil. Yes, next word is simple, next word is last, next is tired, next is mighty, last word is proper. And proper word is, yes, another word for proper is suitable. Okay, so in this way we have done this question. Okay, now turn the next page to see question number 3. So question number 3 is this, that write an adjective for each letter of your favorite person's name, right? And in your holiday homework PDF, an example is also given, like suppose that my favorite person is Tina, so I have to write one adjective for each letter, right? Like T for talented, I for intelligent, N for naughty, and A for active. Okay, so your favorite person is maybe your mother. Like if your mother name is Lata, so L for loving, A for adorable, yes, T for talented, yes, A for we can write, yes, active, or we can write any other adjective also, right? So in this way we can write our favorite person's name. Okay, so आपको ये सेम नेम नहीं लिखना है, आपको अपना फेवरेट पर्सन का नेम लिखना है. ओके, दिस इज जस्ट अ डेमो, इट्स जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल. ओके, so don't write the same name, write different name, write your favorite person's name. Okay children, now next is this. Yes, question number 4, follow each instruction below and write out the word. Okay, then work out a secret message. Remove T from out, add Y to the beginning. So here are the instructions given. Okay, here are some instructions given. जो instructions, those instructions you have to follow. आपको ये follow करने हैं, and then you have to find out the word. Okay, आपको word find करना है, and after that you have to write all the words here to make a secret message. Okay, so I have written only 2 examples because after that you are able to do it on your own. So suppose that in first instruction it is given that remove T from out. It means that OUT, out में से हमें क्या हटाना है? We have to remove T, right? And then we have to add Y to the beginning. Beginning means starting, means before O we have to use Y. Okay, so when we use before O Y, it will become U, Y-O-U-U. Okay, now see the next instructions. In next instructions they are giving add C to the beginning of AN. It means that AN, before AN we have to write C, so we will make a word can. Okay, now next is join sum and times together. So when we will join sum and times, so it will combine together and we will write sometimes, right? So in this way we have to follow all the instructions and we have to, yes, we have to make the word. Remove D from seed, तो seed में से D हटा देंगे, so which word will left? C, right? Add T to the front of he, means HE के साथ क्या लग जाएगा? T, so it will become the. Remove ING from coloring, add S. Coloring में से ING हटाना है, we have to remove ING and we have to add S, so it will become colors. Remove ho from hoof, so ho if we will remove, what is left? Off. Remove M from them, so we have to remove F, it means only the will remain here. Yes, the will left. Join rain and bow together, so we will write here rainbow. Then add in to the beginning of side, so it will become inside. Then RN and if we have to remove, then only A will left. Yes, and here the last word will be remove N from bun, so B, and then we have to add this bill, so bubble. Okay, and then we have to write all the words together, right? So in this way you have to do this question, right? Now next question is our, yes, quiz. Okay, so let enhance our knowledge through quiz. This is our last question, that is question number 5. Okay, so I have made a diary for these quiz questions. Okay, so here you can read the quiz questions. The first question is, make sentences from the given collective noun. The words are pride and herd. So for pride, I have made the sentence, I saw a pride of lions in the zoo. Yes, so pride is a group of lions. Yes, so I saw a pride of lions in the zoo. Herd, a herd of cattle is grazing in the field. Right. Next question is, guess the name of an animal who make the following sounds. Hiss. Hiss is the sound of a snake and meow is the sound of cat. Okay. Now next, I have not written the answers as these questions need to be done by you all. Yes, write the proper noun for the given common noun. River is a common noun, you all know, but what is proper noun for this? Like Ganga, Yamuna, you can write any name. Okay. Story, what is the story name? You have heard many stories, right? And you have even read many stories. So there are many stories like Ali Baba and 40 Thieves, right? Aladdin, yes, and The Lion and the Mouse, Cinderella. There are many stories, so you can write any one story name. Okay, so that story name is the proper noun, right? Next is, make sentences using describing words. You all know that describing words are adjectives, right? So big, we can make many sentences. Yes, my car is big, my house is big. You can make many sentences. Okay, so you can make sentences on big and high both. Okay, children. Now our next question is, that is question number 5 is, yes, fill in the blanks using a or an. A and an are articles. Yes, I want to read dash book. So you all know that a is used before, yes, vowel sound. No, a is used before consonant sound. Yes, so b, book, b is consonant sound or vowel sound? Yes, it's a consonant sound. So what will come here? Yes, understood na children? Yes, and he will finish this work in dash r. So here h is silent, right? And r, so a is which sound? It's a vowel sound, and before vowel sound we will put, yes, a and an. Okay. Now next question is, underline the prepositions in the following sentences. In grade 2 you must have read about prepositions, right? So the dog is under the bed. Prepositions, the words that used to tell us the position of a noun, right, of a person or place or thing, those words are known as prepositions, right? So here in this sentence, the dog is under the bed. Where is dog? Dog कहाँ है? Bed के नीचे. So under is the preposition. Yes, and in the same manner you can find, yes, preposition in the second sentence also. The clothes are in the cupboard. So cupboard, where are the clothes kept? In the cupboard. So which is the preposition? Got it? Yes. Now see the next one. Put the correct punctuation mark. You know na punctuation marks? Yes, full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark. So here two sentences are given and you have to put the correct punctuation mark according to their need. Yes, when will the doctor arrive? When will the doctor arrive? So I think that they are asking questions. So we have to put, yes, interrogation mark or question mark, right? Hooray, we won the match. So at last we have to put full stop and here we have to put an exclamation mark, right? Find the meanings of the given words. Reward. Reward means, yes, reward means, yes, like if when we have done something very good and we have won a prize, so that prize is known as reward. Yes, enjoy means, yes, to be happy, right? Next is, find the opposites of the following words. Build. Build means to make, right? So banana, banane का उल्टा क्या होगा? What is the opposite of that? Break. Yes. Front, back. Yes. Find the feminine word gender of the following words. Uncle, yes, uncle की wife कौन होती है? Bridegroom means, yes, a person who is just about to marry. Yes, getting married. Yes, so bridegroom will marry to whom? Yes, with a girl, and that girl is known as, yes, that you have to write here. Okay, children. So this is all about our English homework. I hope you have understood well. Yes, okay. Now see the next video to know your maths homework. Okay.